How to manage the subtitle on MX Player app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to MX Player. This is the home page as you can see. Now go to the top corner and click on those three lines. Now go down and click on local player settings. Now click on subtitle right here. As you can see, now you can manage your subtitle easily from here. You have many options. You can change the text font and many other options. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.